Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of cause and effect sentences in Hebrew. We'll cover everyday situations from missing the bus to practicing and even preparing for exams. These sentences help us explain the reasons behind actions and their outcomes, making our conversations richer and more meaningful. So, grab a pen and paper and let's begin. The Hebrew word for then is az. Az. To say, she studied hard, so she passed the exam. Say, היא למדה הרבה, אז היא עברה את המבחן. היא, she, למדה, studied, singular female, הרבה, a lot. As, then, he, she, עברה, passed, singular female, את המבחן, the test. So there is a connection of if, then between the two parts of the sentence. To say, he didn't set an alarm clock, so he woke up late. Say, הוא לא כיוון שעון מעורר, אז הוא קם מאוחר. הוא, he, לא, not, כיוון, set up, שעון מעורר, an alarm clock, as, then, הוא, he, קם, woke up, singular male, מאוחר, late. To say, if he works extra hours, he will get a bonus. Say, אם הוא יעבוד שעות נוספות, אז הוא יקבל בונוס. אם, if, הוא, he, יעבוד, will work, singular male, שעות, hours, נוספות, extra, plural females, as, then, הוא, he, יקבל, will receive, singular male, bonus, a bonus. One of the Hebrew words used to say because is ki. Ki. For example, to say the streets were flooded because it rained all night. Say הרחובות היו מוצפים כי ירד גשם כל הלילה. הרחובות, the streets, היו, were, מוצפים, flooded, plural males, כי, because, ירד, went down, גשם, rain, כל, all, הלילה, the night. To say, she was late for work because she missed the bus. Say, היא איחרה לעבודה כי היא פספסה את האוטובוס. He, she, איחרה was late, singular female, לעבודה, to work, כי, because, he, she, פספסה, missed, singular female, את האוטובוס, the bus. To say, she is tired because she went to bed late last night. Say, היא עייפה כי היא הלכה לישון מאוחר אתמול בלילה. He, she, עייפה is tired, singular female, כי, because, he, she, הלכה, went, singular female, לישון, to sleep, מאוחר, late, אתמול, yesterday, בלילה, at night. To say, she got wet because she forgot her umbrella. Say, היא נרטבה כי היא שכחה את המטריה שלה. He, she, נרטבה, got wet, singular female, כי, because, he, she, שכחה, forgot, singular female, את המטריה, the umbrella, שלה, of hers. Another way to say because in Hebrew is Biglal, Biglal. For example, to say the child was offended because they didn't invite him. Say, הילד נעלב בגלל שלא הזמינו אותו. הילד, the child, male, נעלב, was offended, singular, male, בגלל, because, שלא, that not, הזמינו, they invited, אותו, him. To say, the tree fell because of the strong wind. Say, העץ נפל בגלל הרוח החזקה. העץ, the tree, נפל, fell, singular male, בגלל, because of, הרוח, the wind, החזקה, the strong, singular female. To say, the flight was cancelled because of the heavy snow. Say, הטיסה בוטלה בגלל השלג הכבד. הטיסה, the flight, בוטלה, was cancelled, singular female, בגלל, because of, השלג, the snow, הכבד, the heavy, singular male. To say, and therefore in Hebrew, you would say, ולכן, and, לכן, therefore. To say, she practiced every day, and therefore she improved quickly. Say, היא התאמנה כל יום, ולכן היא השתפרה במהירות. היא, she, התאמנה, practice, singular, female, כל, every, יום, day, ולכן, and therefore, he, she, השתפרה, improved, singular, female, במהירות, quickly. To say, he didn't water the plants, and therefore they wilted. Say, הוא לא השקע את הצמחים, ולכן הם נבלו. הוא, he, לא, not, השקע, watered, singular male, את הצמחים, the plants, ולכן, and therefore, הם, they, males, נבלו, wilted, plural males. The Hebrew word used to say since or because is Mikeivan, Mi-Kei-Van. To say, Danny didn't come to school because he was sick. Say, דני לא הגיע לבית הספר מכיוון שהוא היה חולה. דני, לא, not, הגיע, arrived, לבית הספר, to school, מכיוון, because, שהוא, that he, היה, was, חולה, sick, singular male. To say, she joined a book club because she wanted to read more books. Say, היא הצטרפה למועדון קריאה מכיוון שהיא רצתה לקרוא יותר ספרים. היא, she, הצטרפה, joined, singular female, למועדון, to a club, קריאה, reading, מכיוון, because, שהיא, that she, רצתה, wanted, singular female, לקרוא, to read, יותר, more, ספרים, books. Another way to say because in Hebrew is משום ש. משום ש. For example, to say he got a low grade because he didn't study for the test. Say, הוא קיבל ציון נמוך משום שהוא לא למד למבחן. he, קיבל, got, singular male, ציון, grade, נמוך, low, singular male, משום, because, שהוא, that he, לא, not, למד, studied, singular male, למבחן, to the test. To say, her room looks tidy because she tidied it. Say, החדר שלה נראה מסודר משום שהיא סידרה אותו. החדר, the room, שלה, of hers, נראה, looks, מסודר, tidy, singular male, משום ש, because that, he, she, סידרה, tidied, singular female, אותו, him. To say, he got sunburned because he didn't apply sunscreen. Say, הוא נכווה מהשמש משום שהוא לא שם קרם הגנה. הוא, he, נכווה, got burned, מהשמש, from the sun, משום ש, because that, הוא, he, לא, not, שם, put, קרם, cream, הגנה, protection. The word used to say as a result of in Hebrew is Beshel. Beshel. For example, to say the trip was cancelled as a result of weather conditions. Say, הטיול בוטל בשל תנאי מזג האוויר. הטיול, the trip, בוטל, was cancelled, singular male, בשל, as a result of, תנאי, conditions of, מזג האוויר, the weather. To say, the road was blocked as a result of a demonstration. Say, הכביש נחסם בשל הפגנה. הכביש, the road, נחסם, was blocked, singular male, בשל, as a result of, הפגנה, a demonstration. The Hebrew word used to say thanks to is Bizchut. Bizchut. For example, to say the accident was avoided thanks to the driver's alertness. Say, התאונה נמנעה בזכות הערנות של הנהג. התאונה, the accident, נמנעה, was avoided, singular female, בזכות, thanks to, הערנות, the alertness, של, of, הנהג, the driver. Those were just some of the ways to create cause and effect sentences in Hebrew, and I know that's a lot to take in all at once. The most common connecting words you should learn for the beginning are ki, Biglal, and as. So if it's too much for you, just start with these three and after that progress to the rest of them. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.